This device claims to turn your single laptop into a full-blown triple-screen command center, boosting your productivity by 300%. That sounds like pure marketing hype, but after spending some time with the Wixzet 14-inch screen extender, I have to admit, the results are genuinely impressive. Let's talk about the physical reality first. Yes, it adds weight 1 pounds to be exact, but considering you're carrying two extra 14-inch monitors, that's actually quite light for a mobile setup. The design is smart. They upgraded the back panel with an auto stretch feature, making it effortless to fit laptops ranging from 13 to 17 inches. The reinforced top hook and widened back stand are essential here. They keep the whole assembly stable, which is a huge relief when you're working on a wobbly coffee shop table. This is a massive improvement over older, flimsier designs. Now the screens themselves. These are 14-inch FHD 1080p IPS panels. Crucially, they hit 100% sRGB and up to 300 nits brightness. For a portable monitor, that color accuracy is fantastic, especially if you're doing design work or editing photos on the road. Having 3 screens means no more alt-tabbing chaos. You can have your spreadsheet on the left, your video conference in the middle, and your notes on the right. The 180-degree fold is a nice touch for privacy or sharing a quick view with a colleague. Plus, they included anti-glare and low blue light technology, which is a must for long work sessions. Setup is advertised as plug-and-play, and mostly it is. No drivers needed. If you have 2 full-featured USB-C ports, it's a dream. Just 2 cables and you're done. If you don't, you'll need the HDMI and USB-A combo for the second screen, which is a bit messier but still functional. Now here's the big caveat you absolutely need to know. If you own a newer MacBook with an M1, M2, or M3 chip, this device is currently incompatible. That's a major limitation for Mac users, so check your model before buying. For Windows, Chrome, Android, and even DeX users, compatibility is excellent. Overall, the Wixzet Tita Pro delivers on its promise of a mobile triple-screen setup. It's not perfect, the Mac limitation is a bummer, but for the vast majority of PC users, especially those who travel frequently and need serious multitasking power, this is a genuine game-changer. It truly transforms a cramped laptop experience into a powerful, efficient workstation.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.